Do you believe a 0% income tax in the United States is a possibility? We'll delve into this and more. First, Congressman Thomas Massie, inspired by the Bitcoin Standard Book, has introduced a bill to end the Federal Reserve. While it's surprising this idea gains traction, many are seriously considering its feasibility. Let's be clear, this is unlikely to happen. The Federal Reserve, established in 1913, is one of the most powerful entities globally. It has maintained its dominance through various means, including military intervention, as seen with Gaddafi in Libya and Saddam Hussein in Iraq, who attempted to back their currencies with gold instead of the US dollar. However, with Bitcoin's emergence, the Federal Reserve's relevance is questioned. Bitcoin represents a form of money beyond their control, marking a significant shift in financial power. Bitcoin has already undermined the Federal Reserve's influence, rendering any proposed legislation less impactful. The Federal Reserve's inability to control Bitcoin signifies a pivotal change in the monetary landscape. On the topic of income tax, the notion of 0% income tax seems far-fetched, but former President Trump has floated the idea of replacing income taxes with tariffs. Predictably, this suggestion has drawn criticism from economists who typically support taxation. A Trump campaign official mentioned that as tariffs on foreign countries increase, taxes on American workers could decrease. This idea, however, has met opposition from the Biden administration, which argues that current tariff proposals would not generate sufficient revenue and could harm economic prosperity and competitiveness. The United States is experiencing an exodus of businesses due to high taxes, extensive regulations, and bureaucratic red tape. This has driven the crypto industry, among others, to seek more favorable environments overseas. A reduction in income taxes could potentially reverse this trend and attract significant investment back to the United States. The G7 average debt to GDP ratio is 129%. He argues that no amount of taxation or budget cuts will suffice to reduce this debt, indicating a systemic financial challenge that extends beyond the scope of simple tax policy changes. In the realm of cryptocurrency, President Joe Biden's campaign is reportedly considering accepting Bitcoin and crypto donations, a move seemingly aimed at keeping pace with Trump's initiatives. Politicians, regardless of party, often make promises to gain popularity, but their actions in office may differ significantly. A word of caution: it's unwise to donate your Bitcoin to politicians. Bitcoin's price movements are currently influenced by leveraged liquidations, but the market remains in a healthy position poised for potential all-time highs. Share your thoughts below. Would you prefer higher or lower taxes? And remember, never give your Bitcoin to a politician. If you enjoyed this discussion, please like and subscribe.